Okay, just start out by
First, we put down the sub-flooring for the roof using plywood. Then we took the mesh and laid it out to place over the seams. And now we're applying the Rexoseal to adhere the mesh to the top of the roof.
may want to tell them this is our first time, so we may screw up.
You heard what the man said. We sustained significant damage to our motorhome roof, had to peel a lot of the rubber roofing off, replace the roofing, take off the old plywood, put on new, and then apply the Rexoseal products. Now he's placing the netting over the Rexoseal adhesive.
I didn't get enough on.
Reapplying a bit more, be generous with the sealant. We're now taking a 4-inch roller over the mesh area to get the adhesive to come up through the mesh to secure it further.
Hey, how's that side right there? Good.
Just a minute. Okay, we've pretty much completed the areas that were problematic. We put the strips down, the mesh strips with the adhesive, and went over them again with adhesives. We have just this one. We just have this one side to finish up. Then we'll come back tomorrow and we will put the other membrane on and be done.
Now we'll come back one more day and finish coating.
One more day to finish what?
To put the finish coat on.
And then we'll come back one more day to put the finish coat on.
Second coat.
The second coat. One word of caution, you don't want to be slow or stop, lag behind, because this adhesive cement dries pretty quickly, especially in the Texas heat. Okay, we put the white polymer down on the plywood roofing, and now we're rolling the membrane down over top of that. Then we'll coat it with the polymer again on top. We cut the fabric to go around the vent and then applied the polymer, then the membrane, and more polymer. You can see it worked out really well. It's been several days later. The weather has been quite inclement down here in Texas, so we're back to start up again on the roofing. We're in the middle section now where we've laid the membrane, and now we're putting the polymer coating on. You can see how nicely that the roofing has held through the torrential storm and downpours on the one side. We're very pleased. with what we have done thus far. This section went relatively fast. You can see how nice and smooth the membrane went on, and then the polymer over top of it. Rexoseal truly is an amazing product. It goes fast and smooth. You just have to take your time. We took time to go around the vents. We overlapped at least 10 inches to a foot, where it was only recommended 4 inches, but we had the materials in order to do that. And it's a very nice seal on the roof. Now today we're coming over the radius of the roof, and we're putting on the second coat around the drip edge of the roof to make sure that the membrane is sealed with a second coat. Then on top we're going about 6 inches over the roof edge on top, as you can see, with a brush, putting the second coat on, and then we will finish with the top section for the final coat tomorrow. We just finished applying the very last coat of the Rexoseal on the entire roof. Our last usage of this product, my husband used an 8-inch ruler with a handle and rolled it on. It looks fantastic. We are extremely pleased. Thank you, Rexoseal. I wanted to add also that my husband went around all the vents with a 2-inch brush, and this was actually the second coat of Rexoseal we applied, and we still have enough left over. Come fall, we're going to put a third coat on. So it's very economical, and it's done a fantastic job, and as I said before, we're extremely happy with this product.